but she's got a plan. She's going to apply lip gloss to my cookies to make them brighter and tastier. Add some water to jam. Fill a syringe with it and eject it into a clean double-sided lip gloss container. Add a drop of food coloring to condensed milk. Mix it and suck it into the syringe. Eject the colored condensed milk into the second half of the lip gloss container. I can't believe my eyes! Belle is applying makeup to a cookie, though it turns out to be regular jam. The jam lip gloss has definitely added a tasty tone to my cookie. Belle is sure that everything on the table is edible. Oh no! This is actually regular lip balm. Take mini waffle bowls and cut off the borders. Melt white chocolate. Add food coloring and cover the bowl with the colored chocolate. Decorate it with star-shaped sprinkles. Cover another bowl with the chocolate of a different color. Put in a semi-sphere-shaped lip balm and join the waffle bowls to look like a real container. Belle opens up the balm and applies it to her lips. Makeup isn't always edible, but something still is. I bite off a piece of the lid. It's a delicious waffle covered with chocolate. Some people come to the kitchen to have tea with cookies, and I've come to have tea with face powder and eyeliner. I take a spoon and eat what's inside my face powder container. Remove broken face powder from a container. Clean the powder compact nicely. Crumble cookies thoroughly. Put aside some crumbs. Add a little caramel topping and stir. Add pink food coloring to the crumbs and pour in some caramel. Put the colored crumbs into the powder container, layer by layer, and press it nicely. Cover it with edible pearl powder. Stop! Take a cookie, but my friend's powder is as good as traditional candies. And I can dip a cookie into the eyeliner. Don't be afraid, it's just chocolate. Melt white chocolate in a double boiler. Add purple food coloring and mix the substance. Put the chocolate into a clean eyeliner container and let it harden in a fridge. My friend's makeup turns out to be really tasty. This is what the baked powder and then natural eyeliner mean. Belle is getting ready for a great party. It's taken her a long time to choose the right outfit. The only thing left is to do her makeup. This lipstick looks and smells delicious. She applies the bright lip makeup. It tastes like sweet condensed milk. Clean an old lipstick palette nicely. Dissolve gelatin in water and add some condensed milk. Take aside a part of the liquid and put in food coloring. Pour the burgundy red condensed milk into the palette. Color another part in a different color. Make the last lipstick bright red. Put the palette into the fridge. Add a brush and it's ready. After having one bite of the lipstick, Belle can't stop. Be careful not to eat the entire palette. I take out a highlighter. Belle just needs some shine. But first, we will taste this beauty product. There is condensed milk inside again. Take a wiper out of an old used highlighter. Put in some caramel topping to condensed milk. Add edible pearl powder and some edible glitter. Mix it and put it into the vial. The condensed milk highlighter is a tasty thing. Belle starts to think that the entire makeup is like that. She is ready to taste the lip gloss. Don't do it! It's makeup. Belle's makeup's been done. She's glowing and happy. But if she wants to reduce shine, she should use oil-absorbing tissues. Cut rice paper so that it is of the same size as your beauty blotters. Put them in the package. The beauty blotters are breaking right in our hands. They turn out to be no smoothing but smashing. Certainly, since you should eat them and not correct your makeup with them. Did you like our edible makeup? Then write in your comments what you liked the most. Face powder out of cookies, highlighter with condensed milk, or chocolate eyeshadow. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell to be the first one to find our new beauty tricks.